Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me some green season mix blend. Green season is a versatile paste that is often used throughout the Caribbean to marinate different cuts of beef, chicken, or fish. These are all natural herbs and spices blended up in a paste to make this niceness. So if you want to learn this recipe, please stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe. Let's get this process started. These are all the ingredients that you need to make your green season mix blend. All natural ingredients, herbs, and spices. Over here, I've got me some parsley. Look at it, guys. I love me some parsley. Smell really good. And this helps to give your meat a nice flavorful taste. Over here, I have got me some bell peppers. You could use whatever color of your choice. Give it that nice colorful look. I have me a medium onion. I have me here some Scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a nice spicy taste, a little spicy taste. Over here I have got me some scallion. I've got my celery right here. If you love some celery, let me know in the comment section, because your girl over here loves some celery. Over here, I've got me some cilantro. Ooh, the cilantro, guys, give it that nice taste. Everything here gives that nice taste. Don't get me wrong. I have me some fresh thyme right here. Who love the smell of thyme? All right. I have me a piece of ginger. And I got me some rosemary right here. Look at my rosemary. This smells really strong. Rosemary. And these are all natural ingredients, guys. As I said before, a lot of health benefits and all of that niceness. So guys, if you want to learn this green season mix blend, please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. Hit that red button and let it become great. Alrighty, so let's get this process started. Now guys, all of my spices and my herbs are all clean, washed, and looking really good. So what I'm gonna do now, we are gonna move on to the next process, guys. So let's go. At this point, we are roughly going to chop up all our ingredients for our blender. We want to make sure our ingredients are all cut up because we're using our blender. And we want to make sure our blender doesn't stick, so please make sure you chop them up as fine as you can. Alrighty guys, so all my seeds there are all cut up. Look at that, guys. Cut up and ready for me to be blended. So at this point now, we are going to add all of our herbs. Just add everything to it just like that, because it's gonna be all blended up. I just cut it up so you know it could fit properly. So we're just gonna add half. This is enough. We're gonna add half of this, and then we're gonna blend it up. So to that, I'm going in with some water. You can use olive oil or cooking oil, whichever you prefer. So this is 2 cups of water going in here. Alrighty, guys. And then we're just gonna put it on our blender.
And let the blending process begins. We're gonna process until the mixture looks pureed like baby food. This smells super good, guys. Let me take a closer look. OMG, the smell of this in my kitchen right now, guys, is everything. I cannot wait to put some of this niceness on my meat. It can go on any meat of your choice that you are seasoning. To my blender, I'm going back in with a little bit more of my ingredients. I want to make sure my ingredients are being pureed properly and my blender is not being pressured. So guys, please make sure you do this in roughly like 3 separate stages so your ingredients are being blended properly and everything goes smoothly. It takes a while to be blended, so please make sure you take your little time and make sure everything is being blended properly. Alrighty, look at that, guys. OMG, I cannot wait to smell all of this niceness on my meat. And there you go. I'm adding the remainder to my blender. This is gonna be oh so good. And the blending process is officially finished. I cannot wait to show you guys a closer look at all of this niceness right here. The smell in my kitchen is everything. Alrighty, guys, take a closer look. OMG, look how pureed this looks. Looks just like baby food. That's how yours should look, guys. And we are gonna pour all of this niceness into a glass container. We're going to store it in our refrigerator, in the freezer. We want to make sure it is frozen and nice and can last up until 2 months' time. One thing I must say, ain't nothing like some good old natural green season mix blend. Ain't nothing can beat all of this niceness right here. And there you have it, guys. My green season mix blend in my kitchen. Perfectly fine. Pureed to perfection and is smelling oh so good. I cannot wait to put some on my meat. Whatever meat you are making, guys, it can work on it as a base. OMG. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, turn your notification button on so you don't miss out any video that we post. New content is coming up and some delicious recipes coming up as well. You don't want to miss out. Alrighty, guys. So if you love this recipe, please try it out in your kitchen and let me know your honest feedback. I'm just covering it up to put in my refrigerator so it could get frozen. Please make sure you defrost before using. Alrighty, guys. Let me know your honest reaction in the comment section. If you enjoyed, let me know in the comment section. I want to hear your feedback. Alrighty, guys, please let me know. And let me know how much you would rate this video from 1 to 10. I give this video a 10 because it's all natural ingredients and it came out perfectly fine. So guys, have a blessed week and see you guys soon. Bye, guys.